Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, vitamins. Vitamins that play a vital role in supporting our health and potentially killing cancer cells. A healthy liver detoxifies the body, rids waste and guards against diseases like cancer. And when the liver functions at its best point, it functions as a protective shield, preventing cancer from taking root in us by processing toxins and controlling essential nutrients that boost our immune system. Today I will share with you 5 most important vitamins which promote liver health and also support your body's defense against cancer. These vitamins, when included in your diet, will enhance liver function and enable your body fight harmful cells. So let us find how these vitamins can change your journey to good health.
Thank you, Dr. O'Neill. So let us dive more into these important vitamins that are vital for our livers to perform efficiently as well as fight off cancers if they occur. Let's start with the first essential vitamin.
Let's start with beta-carotene because it is one of the very strong antioxidants that we should include in our daily diet. Beta-carotene is a red-orange pigment found in various brightly colored vegetables and fruits such as carrot, sweet potatoes, butternut, squash, and leafy greens. Beta-carotene, once ingested by us, gets converted into vitamin A, which has several uses, including maintaining healthy vision, promoting immune healthiness, skin healthiness, among others. Vitamin is also crucial for proper functioning of our liver, which we said earlier on. Here plays a pivotal role in detoxifying bodies and safeguarding against carcinogens. Beta-carotene serves as a screen that prevents destructive radicals from harming cells, thereby causing cancerous growths. Like this way, we not only make liver healthier but provide organism with necessary instruments for fighting illnesses, incorporating high beta-carotene foodstuffs into everyday menu.
Now we look into some sources of beta-carotene.
Some examples of high beta-carotene foods are sweet potatoes, carrots, butternut, squash, cantaloupe and romaine lettuce. That's why the leading juice in my health retreat is made up of 80% carrot juice, so you get a larger amount of this important antioxidant.
Excellent. Now on to our second vitamin.
And now let's talk about ascorbic acid, which is also known as vitamin C. This is one of the most famous and celebrated antioxidants in nutrition. Vitamin C is essential for overall well-being and plays a crucial role in supporting the liver and immune system. Many people know only vitamin C as ascorbic acid. However, it would be useful to note that bioflavonoids accompany it naturally, raising its absorption rate, making it effective. That means we need to eat whole foods rich in vitamin C rather than relying on supplements alone. Examples of foods with plenty of vitamin C include such fresh fruits as oranges, strawberries and kiwi, while vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli and cabbage are also high in this nutrient. The liver detoxifies free radicals by using vitamin C to nullify them and reduce oxidative stress. The process helps the liver to break down toxins and waste, thereby safeguarding the body against various diseases including cancer. For maximum intake of vitamin C, consume locally grown food items that are not processed or preserved for long. This way you will get all the nutrients necessary for your health as provided by nature. In my health retreat, we choose whole foods rich in vitamin C9 to boost our well-being through natural defenses. Therefore, your daily diet must contain different colors of fruits and vegetables, such as these if your levels are going to be elevated for optimal liver function.
So what should we look for when selecting for purchasing vitamin C?
You want it along with its bioflavonoids, which occur together in nature. And can you believe it? Some Australian studies have discovered that cabbage has more vitamin C than an orange. If you want to maximize your nutrient intake, then make sure you buy fresh local organic produce.
That's some solid advice right there. Let's turn our attention now to next vitamin.
Another fat-soluble antioxidant, vitamin E, plays a major role in maintaining our health, especially when it comes to liver function as well as protecting cells from damage. For proper absorption, therefore, one has to pair it up with healthy fats because it is fat-soluble. Vitamin E protects cell membranes against oxidation, thus strengthening immunity functions within the body. Like vitamins C and beta-carotene, this antioxidant eliminates free radicals. However, its focus is on shielding the fats found in our cells, which are extremely receptive to damage. There are plenty of vitamin A, rich foods including nuts, seeds and green leafy vegetables. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds and spinach are great examples. You can also make use of healthy oils like olive oil as well as sunflower oil in your diet to ensure that you get enough of this important nutrient. In my health retreat, we make sure you receive enough vitamin into your system through nutritious meals and beverages. For example, organic soy or almond milk-based protein drinks fortified with a little coconut milk will give you a good serving of vitamin A among other vital nutrients. Remember that not just for liver health, but also skin, eyes and general immunity, vitamin E is very crucial. Consume food items that have high amounts of vitamin A daily so as to keep fit from oxidative stress. Therefore, eat different types of foods rich in vitamin A each day and your body will appreciate the nourishment plus fortification it offers.
Thank you, Dr. O'Neill. In summary, vitamin E is an antioxidant that safeguards our cells from any injury and aids in overall liver health. Thus, by eating nuts such as walnuts either raw or cooked, seeds like flax seeds, or dark leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale or collards on a daily basis, one can be guaranteed adequate quantities of this fundamental element for our body growth. Now, let's shift gears and take a look at the B vitamins.
For now, however, we will discuss B vitamins, which are very important in maintaining our energy levels, ensuring that our brains work properly and keeping our livers in good condition. These are vitamin B12 and B6 that play significant roles in detoxification and overall health, among others. Vitamin B12 is vital for the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout your body, enabling your immune system to function well. Inadequacy of B12 causes tiredness along with weakness, as well as mental issues, on occasion because it breaks down homocysteine amino acid, which can cause liver injury if it accumulates to high levels, causing cardiovascular diseases.
How do we get these important nutrients?
Some people think they have to rely on animal products like meat, fish or eggs for their vitamin B12 requirements. It is true that these foods are rich sources of this vitamin, but this should not discourage vegetarians. For instance, when consumed as part of a balanced diet, legumes, nuts, seeds and leafy greens supply substantial amounts of these vitamins in your body. Another way to get small amount of B12 is by eating organic root vegetables and consuming fresh fruits or veggies, since soil-based microorganisms found there also produce it. In my practice, I always stress on digestion being one major factor that determines how effective you absorb these nutrients into your body systems. I advise plant-based eaters to include fermented foods in their diet every day, plus diverse sources of vitamin B's. Your liver relies heavily on these vitamins to perform its detoxifying functions by breaking down harmful substances and expelling them from the body. You must nourish yourself with these life-giving elements so that both your liver functioning and general wellness remain optimal.
Thank you, Dr. O'Neill. In short, B vitamins, especially B12 and B6, are important for energy production, red blood cell formation and liver detoxification. Adequate intake of these vitamins is therefore crucial for maintaining optimum liver health and overall well-being. Now let's turn our attention to vitamin D. Dr. O'Neill will talk about the significance of vitamin D and how it can be naturally added into your daily routine.
Let us speak about vitamin D, which is also referred to as the sunshine vitamin. This key nutrient aids in the absorption of calcium by the body necessary for strong bones formation and maintenance. But what most people do not know is that it also promotes liver health together with immune function. When sunlight falls on our skin, it triggers a process wherein cholesterol that lies just below our skin surface is converted into vitamin D, ultraviolet B rays UV. Bone health depends on calcium absorption, promoted by this vitamin, but it also helps control inflammation and boost immune defenses, the key factors for keeping your liver healthy. However, in this day and age, many people spend a lot of time indoors or use sunscreens that block out these UVB rays, thereby leading to a lack of vitamin D. This leads to weak bones, compromised immunity, and the liver's failure to work properly. So how do we ensure we get enough vitamin D? The best way is to bask in the sun for some time every day, thus enabling natural production of vitamin D on your skin by these UVB rays. Nevertheless, you should be careful, not overdo. And in the 30 minutes under sun, depending on your complexion type and intensity, can usually meet your needs. In case there are times when adequate sunlight cannot reach you, try eating certain foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods which contain vitamin D. Nonetheless, the most natural and efficient approach towards boosting your vitamin levels is through logical exposure to sunlight. By guaranteeing that you have enough vitamin D will help in keeping strong bones as well as providing necessary nutrients for good functioning of liver and immune system.
Quick recap. Liver is regenerative organ. Feeding it with right foods mainly can foster its health condition as well as its function.
Think about it. Submit food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Take them into account while structuring your meals if you want healthier liver and better overall state.
We hope you enjoyed our program today. If so then, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy tips for a healthy lifestyle.